Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to repair this Dashcam Pioneer DVR 160. It has a problem stopping from recording. Let's turn it on. Okay, this is a mini USB for power, 5 volt. I'm using a power bank and a mini USB port. Like this. Okay, this mirror is supposed to be auto loop record, but this problem I need to press the OK button and it'll start again recording, and it's supposed to be after 1 minute it's supposed to be make another files from zero again. And this is strange, this is 2015, so the timing is not correct, date and the time is not updating when I'm turn off the unit. So I guess this is a battery problem. We need to change internal battery inside. So let's get started. Let's open from behind. Careful, because there are a flexible cable inside. Okay, we don't know the capacity of the battery, so we need to check with a multitester. Okay, we set the multitester to DC voltage. 4.071. I'm trying to pull the rubber out. So this battery is 3.7 volt DC, 500 milliamp. Okay, I've got this LiPo battery. I think it's still good. I want to check. 3.7 volt. Now I want to test with this battery with the same volts, 3.7 volt, but bigger milliamp. Positive. Okay, let's turn off. Okay, let's try charging with mini USB. I'm charging with my power bank. So when I'm start charging, also it's automatically starting record. Okay, now we can set the date. Before, the date is 2015, always 2015, because the battery is not saving the date and time. So I think it's everything okay. After we are replacing this lithium polymer battery, 3.7 volt, 500 milliamp. But I try to test with a bigger milliamp. It is working, so my homework now is try to find a smaller battery so it can fit into this mirror inside. This is the modified battery. It is fit. Let's try to turn on. It is working. So I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get more video like this. Thank you. Terima kasih.